Hi, in this video, I would like to show you a quick demo of REST client, a plugin for Visual Studio Code. Basically, you can perform the REST requests, get post request in the Visual Studio Code itself. And also I want to show you a little bit tiny, nice lorem space, getting some random images when you're working on some prototype. You want to quickly test. So there is some really nice API to get some images here. So let's try this in the REST client, using REST client on Visual Studio Code. To do that, I have a project which having extension or file extension with .http demo. So all I have to do is get my HTTP, the URL I have to query. So I'm gonna make this. So all I have to do is send a request. So let's see, it's working. So here you see the response. So I could also make changes. So we can see if it gets yes, and also let me do this. You can see that it's increased the size. You could see that. And I can also pick something else from here, like a random game cover. Let's see this one. Let's make a request. So here you can see it's a very, very tiny, nice helper when you want to get some random images. You could see it's working fine. And usually you want to have some pictures. It's very handy. So we could also just change the face and get some requests. So you don't have to back and forth and use tools like Postman. For simple requests like this, you can use the REST client. Super helpful. Hope this video is useful. If you have any other better tool, let me know. Or even if you know any other tool or plugin I should cover explaining, let me know. Thank you.